everyone, welcome to the new episode of your favorite channel, Bird Point.
Please watch this video till the end and find out who needs a shelter. Friends, this video includes bird science, why do birds build a nest, and our regular features. Amazing facts about birds, interesting videos, photo gallery, a quiz time session, guide Bhai's message. Human beings require a house throughout their life cycle, but birds need a shelter only for a specific purpose during their life cycle. Let's see how. Why do these flying feathers build nests? For courtship, to attract a suitable partner. Breeding, a place for meeting. Laying and hatching eggs, then later for protection of newborn chicks. Feeding, parenting are the reasons depending on species. For example, look at this weaver bird, who is known for building most beautiful nests. Male buyer bird builds or completes more than one nest to attract female birds in the same season. Female buyer birds observe the nest and selects one nest. Then only the buyer bird builds the remaining tunnel-like entrance. Big birds like kites, eagles need more space and stronger nest. Eagles' nests are seen with diameter 5 feet, depth of 3 feet, weight in kilograms. Birds need privacy and safety for laying eggs. Birds need protection for eggs, for chicks, and also the best. Eggs are most favorite food for snakes, cats, birds like raven, magpies, gulls, stealers like cuckoos and squirrels. Thus, the lives of newborn chicks also needs protection. Eggs and chicks are endangered during bad weather like heat, colds, heavy rains, and winds also. Friends, how do birds know the right time to build nest? Birds are able to detect the length of a day, which are shorter in winter and longer in summer. They can detect the intensity of sunlight as winter ends. This instinctively triggers biophysiological changes in the body of birds, resulting in the behaviour suitable for breeding season. Around 1,200 bird species are found in India, but every species behaves differently. Birds prefer breeding time when food is abundant and longer day to find food, which is important for laying eggs and feeding born chicks. Friends, you saw why and when birds start nesting activities. Do not forget to watch next episode about where and how birds build nest. So interesting. Do not miss. Please subscribe now. Bird Point's next session is interesting facts about birds. Bhai, a bird from Philippines, seen to decorate interior of nest by hanging glowworms or fireflies. And bowerbird in Indonesia is seen to use fresh flowers on bower to invite female birds. In most of the species, female bird chooses to build the nest. Male birds help and choose to protect. Birds like egrets, herons, storks choose a single tree to build nests like a colony. The greater ANI bird, like black cuckoos found in America, build a common cup nest. Most females lay eggs here and share hatching, feeding all chicks without any identity. And birds from Cuckoo family like Asian Koel do not build their own nest, though they lay eggs. Next session is photo gallery. Our guest today is teal deer, a plover bird named after its calls and is known for its deceptive skills to hide nests and thus protect its chick from predators. Its nest is a depression in the ground, surrounded by pebbles, seashells fragments, blades of grass, thus hidden in the surroundings. General trivia. Do you know? The science to study bird's nest is termed as teleology. Wow! Your favorite! Quiz time! How many feathers does a peacock have? And the answer is peacock has about 140 to 180 feathers. They shed every year and new grow more in numbers. A tail is called a train. Congratulations if you got the right answer. Now the new quiz. How long does a pair of birds use their nest built by them? Our friend guide Bhai thanks everyone who watched the last Independence Day special episode. Did you miss it? Message for viewers. Please help bird friends to build their nests. One can keep outside home chemical-free coconut fibers, dried branches of plants like tulsi, dried creeper plants, leaves, grass, twigs, pieces of paper bags. Please remember, no plastics, no cotton wool, no threads. Thanks for watching this episode till the end. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe by selecting the bell icon. Bye now, but do not miss the next episode.